Try this. Right now it's working for me. I've had a buck in my pocket for a very, very long time. I've always carried that buck. It's been my everyday EDC. Didn't go anywhere without it. And disaster struck. I lost it. Yep, I lost my buck. So after a couple of days of hoping it would show up, which it didn't, obviously, I decided to get another one. And I decided to try something new. I went and looked at Budget EDC folding carry knives, pocket companions, everyday carries, whatever you'd like to call them. And I found one. And I think it was $14.99 online at Amazon. So I went ahead and thought, give it a try and see if budget really is budget. And surprisingly, it turned out to be a pretty nice knife. When I first got it, it was kind of heavy compared to the buck. But I soon got used to it, and I kind of starting to like the weight of it. Has a nice blade, sharp, pretty good quality, and it's just a plain old knife. So let me quickly share it with you. Here's some pics and some info. It's a piece of harder wood. Let's try that. Maybe not. You can see here, it does a pretty good job. And if we can feather it. And it's sharp enough, certainly, to give you a feather. So it's not a bad little knife. For $15, can't beat that with a big stick. Unfortunately, I don't have a ferro rod with me, but I'm thinking that you could probably strike with that. It's a pretty sharp edge on the back and get your spark that you need. So that the knife, I believe, is an Ecante, E-C-A-N-T-E. I haven't really heard of that before, but I'm pretty impressed. So there you go. You're looking for a budget everyday carry? Try this. Right now it's working for me.